Hi, this is Mihnea logging in from Bangkok. Welcome to the pilot episode of Enter VR, a show where we explore the amazing opportunities virtual reality has to offer. And what better way to start the show than by unboxing the Google Cardboard. Alright, I ordered this online in Bangkok from a Facebook page, Google Cardboard something in Thai. It arrived yesterday. Had the t-shirts made, Enter VR, so that I can make this great video. Alright, there's nothing in here. VR cardboard. Get the cardboard app. This is so exciting. Alright, the cardboard here. Let's open it up. Alright. Alright. Let's figure it out. How do we open it up? Alright, the strap is here. Unbox it. This is a bit confusing. Like this. The nose should come here. Uh-oh. Wait, how do you do this? This is a bit confusing. Down. The card comes down like this. Yes. Alright. The phone will come here. And I guess this is it. Okay, not too bad. And this is the button, right? Okay, let's see. The lenses have a protective filter. I've removed these, and another protective filter here. All right, and I suppose I won't have to use my eyeglasses. Okay, and the strap here will go where? I have to adjust these by myself. This and this, so it will go where? Around here. Like this. Okay, I'll add this later. So, let's try it out. There's a rubber band here. I suppose this is to hold the phone. Let's do this. Make sure you come back for more VR videos. Enter VR together with me. This is Mihnea. Subscribe, like, comment in the comment section below. Have you tried Google Cardboard? If yes, let us know. How was your first experience? Until next time, Mihnea. Salut!